Alright, we got a challenge lock here from rxpert from Reddit and Discord. This is a Schlage Everest, so alright. Grab a tensioner. Alright. That's pin 1. It's not binding now. 2. 3, 4, 5. 3 is giving some kind of rotation. Small little click there. It's pin 2. Small little bit of movement on 1, 2 again. I'm using very light tension on this, since everything feels like it's very serrated. Pin 5. I'm dropping stuff. I feel like it needs to move. Like I'm getting plug movement from it, but I can turn the core both directions, and that pin maybe just moved now. Okay. Now let's try these other pins. Check that check pin. No, it's not binding. I can hear it flopping in there. There's pin 1, 2. 2 feels good now. 3, 4, 5 is jiggling. kind of balances tension. I feel like I'm just dropping stuff back and forth. Now the check pin's binding. There we go. All right. That was actually a lot tougher than it probably looked. It took 7 minutes, so we know it's tough. And that are hex bits. I can just take that off and gut the other way. Okay. Make sure nothing's in there. I'm going to take this off just to make this easier. I'm going to shim that because I don't trust me. Make sure I don't drop that. Okay. Okay, I got that in. Push it on through. Now that looks extremely awkward. That's because I'm awkward. All right. There's the check pin. Is the spring still in there? It is. Okay. Pin 1, 2, 3. And you guys can't even see that. There we go. Sorry about that. That pin 5 was tricky. I was getting some counter rotation, and I was afraid it was going to be an overset. All right. Nothing in the chambers, so it'll probably just be key and driver pins. I was waiting for something kind of wilder for the check pin, like maybe he had serrated it or done something to it, but all right. And that looks like a snowman from the Sparrow set. No, it's not. That's his own pin, but it's just reminiscent. Looks like a little top hat on the bottom. Little T-pin top hat. Nice hourglass. And I meant that as a compliment. rxpert, you did a really good job turning that. It's just very clean pen work. I didn't mean you were faking your pens. Number 6 is a nice, I call them vase pens, where it's just multiple hourglass figures, a little hourglass spool, and that was a tricky pen on number 5. So well done on that. This whole lot gave lots of little micro clicks, and I'm not going to gut the springs, but let me zoom that in for you. And I bet you guys want it in focus too. Okay, there we go. But yeah, that's the one I was talking about, was reminiscent of a snowman if you flip it upside down. But that's just very clean, nicely done pen work. We've got a multi-segmented spool, nice hourglass, more of a serrated than anything there. Nice little hourglass spool with a spooled key pin, serrated key pin there, serrated key pin there. The other key pins are standard. And he didn't do anything to the check pin, which there's not a whole lot you can do, because this is all that's really interacting with the key. So I've seen some people try to do something with them, and it really doesn't add anything. So, all right, well, that's rxpert's challenge lock. So, thanks.